Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. This is Epson Expression Home XP-255. I want to show you how to replace the ink. To replace the ink for this printer, you need to open it up. And once you open it up, you need to press the cancel button, okay? Or you can see press this button here for the ink. Press it once. And when you press it once, it will release the ink holder to move from the corner to this, okay? Now the next is you need to press this again once, and when you press it once, then it will go to the right position where you will replace the ink. So now this ink holder is positioned correctly at the correct space to replace the ink. Then you need to hold particular ink you want to replace, hold it together. Okay, so this is how to remove the ink. Then to put this back, then you put the ink, start from cyan, go in. Okay, now the next is magenta, go in. Okay, the next on the list is yellow. Okay, press it down. The next is black, and this ink cartridge is 29, number 29. You can also use number 29 extra. And once you've done, the next thing to do is press this once, press the cancel button once, and the ink will move, will go back inside. Okay, you can see the ink is now set at the correct position. Then you close this down. Okay, so this is how to replace the ink. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much and stay blessed.